Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Downloader app on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to install the Downloader app on Firestick, just come over to this find icon, click on it, click on search, and you're going to be typing Downloader. And here you find Downloader suggested. You want this one, the first one actually, that has the D with a downward pointing arrow. Just click on it once. That brings you to the download button. And when you find the download button, you just click on the download button. It'll queue, begin to download, and when the download is done, so I've clicked on it. So that's the queuing. The download begin, and when it downloads, you'll find an automatic installation process. It will be very quick, and the app will be ready to use. So from there, you could just access the app from the app library or with the open button right here. So the app is already 10% downloaded. I'll give it a couple of seconds, and then we're going to have the app installed. So right there you can see it is downloaded. Download is complete. Installation is done. It takes just a quick second, and there you can open the downloader app. So that's how you install the downloader app. If that was useful, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.